everyone, welcome to Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah, this is Clint Hansen. We hope you had a fantastic Christmas. We hope you just had lots of food and friends and family and music and animals and maybe snow where you live. Definitely not snow in Florida.
No snow.
Sand, but no snow. How was your Christmas, Clint Hansen?
It was good. It was a very good Christmas. I'm still full.
Oh.
The children got what they want. 12-year-old, she got a new laptop that she wanted.
Nice.
The 3-year-old, she got this Porsche SUV that she's now driving around the house.
What?
My mother, it was funny because there's a lot of us children, and my mother got like a family portrait with all of her children and all of our children.
Aww.
So it was a really good turnout. It's fantastic. I'm still full though.
What's your favorite Christmas desserty thing?
Well, we've talked about the cookies before,
Yeah,
which I eat a lot of those on Christmas.
true.
But you know what? I don't know. Sometimes she's making it, sometimes she's not. But my mother makes this pudding dessert. I think that's what they call it. My sister-in-law Michelle calls it something else, I think. And now my brother Darren confused me on the name too. So I don't know what it is. It's got pudding and maybe some crust in it, some whipped cream. And I think there's something else that I don't like, but nobody tells me what it is. So I still eat it. But it's just like chocolate pudding and just this goodness.
Oh.
And I'll specifically not eat so much food just so I can eat that. But it doesn't always work out that way if the food's really good.
Nice.
Yeah, I have a problem.
I do the same thing. I have a major sweet tooth. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I do like sugar.
What's your favorite sugary, Christmassy, delectable dessert?
Oh man, I love all the, I love pie. I just love pie. Pumpkin, apple, blackberry, blueberry. I love pie. Okay, it's time for questions.
Excellent.
Guess what?
What?
We have a question from our friend Thomas in North Carolina.
Tommy!
I bet Thomas experienced some snow. Thomas,
Probably.
did you get any snow this Christmas?
It snows up there.
I bet it was gorgeous.
Yeah.
Whoa. Clint,
Yes.
I've built my first hot rod AR and I'm ready to roll. Hey, have you ever seen that movie? You guys ever seen that movie?
Ready to roll?
No. Hot rod.
Hot rod?
Hot rod.
I don't think so.
And he's like, whiskey. And then his friend is like, or he's saying it like that. He's like,
What?
what? Yeah.
Maybe I've seen
Why am
that.
I
I've seen
saying
that part.
What way? I think I botched that up, but you get the point.
Okay.
It's a great film. Everyone should watch it. Anyways, back to our question. It's my third AR build, but I'm finally ready to get the most out of my rig from a tuning standpoint. I've got a 5.56 BA Hansen barrel, standard carbine buffer system, and a dead air Sandman suppressor. I also took your advice and purchased a Superlative Arms Bleed Off Low Pro from your website. Can you give me a basic rundown of how you go about dialing in a rifle like this? Thank you in advance. Love the videos. Aw, that's so nice.
Excellent. I can absolutely help him with this. Plus, you have all my favorite stuff from my favorite companies. Superlative Arms, dead air suppressors. I think it's a little self-explanatory, and a lot of people do it a couple different ways, but I think the most important thing is which direction you start from in terms of opening up your bleed-off system or closing it off to start with. So what I would suggest is to open it up and shoot it without a suppressor. And then as you fire it, close it off until you start seeing a change in the ejection pattern. Because once it's all the way open, you should be perfect with the gas port that's in it, just as if you had a regular low profile gas block on it. But you're trying to dial it back to where you're getting some sort of change in pressure, okay? So and also don't close it so much to where it's barely limping out and barely functioning. You should be able to feel where, oh, that's nice, that's got some good 3 o'clock, maybe just over your shoulder ejection, and then you're dialed in right there for unsuppressed fire. Now, throw your suppressor on, and that's a great place to start from. You're gonna be pretty close. The other reason I say start that way, because if you close it off and just open it up a little bit, well, if you have more than one round in your mag, it's gonna short stroke, and then you're gonna damage that next round if it doesn't feed it properly. So that's just gonna save you a little bit of money, and I think it's a little easier to start the other way. Hope that makes sense. Bunch of cool parts on there. Appreciate the question.
So I think it did make perfect sense. Thank you, Mr. Hansen, for that fantastic answer. Thank you to our friend Thomas in North Carolina, who we hope enjoyed some snow maybe for Christmas. We're not jealous of the snow. And we hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas time with your friends and family. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. make sure to subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you get a notification every time we do a new video. We have new Q&A videos every Thursday. Gotcha.
She got me.
And yeah, we sure can't wait to see what you guys send us. Oh, and Happy New Year 2019!
Yes,
Yay!
Happy New Year.
We hope it was just so fantastic and filled with so much Christmas cheer and oh, my phone.
It's probably the only pie I would eat. Although I don't.
Sweet potato pie?
Maybe because I like sweet potatoes, but I don't like anything. I don't
But
like
it's
pie.
supposed to taste like pumpkin pie, and I don't get, like, to just have pumpkin pie.
Mm.
I don't understand. I don't like that. Thank you, Clint.
Scared me.
Thank you, Clint Hansen. I know.
Just let me react like that. Stop freaking out. It's gonna be funny.
Thank you, Clint Hansen.
Oh.
Thank you, Clint Hansen.
No, do your thing.
Thank you, Clint Hansen.
You're welcome.
Little jumpy there.
Oh, that sounds kick.
Thank you for your answer. We sure can't wait to see what you send us. And Happy New Year 2019. Yeah. What are you doing?
I have something I want to add.
Oh, yes, Mr. Hansen. I saw you.
I was raising my
I
hand
thought
like
maybe
do.
you were waving at people
No,
in the
I
shop.
was raising my hand to you. Like you do to me.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, this is bloopers, man. What do you want to say? Haven't you ever seen our show before?
Yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to add in that you guys continue. We love the questions, but continue to ask more questions. Even ask more than one question. Also, some other stuff I want to request of you. Do you guys have any ideas in terms of other products you guys would like to see us carry? Sweatpants,
Oh, merch.
tank tops, hats, whatever. If you guys have some clever ideas, let us know. We have to listen to the people, so it's not always about just the rifles and the barrels and stuff. So help us out. Send in whatever you like. Ask us anything you would like to see.
Hashtag lifestyle. What if we did like a cool, sweet, like hip hop hoodie?
Why do you always go there?
With my face on it and it says, what? Yeah, it's true.
I mean, we can make one.
And I'm wearing like a turtleneck and chains.
Wow.
You guys,
I think we're about to
comment below if you would buy that sweatshirt. I know you would. Comment below. Oh man, how sweet would that be?
That would be pretty
We
sweet.
do one of you too, also wearing a turtleneck and chains.
I don't do that.
Maybe you should.
No.